Hi everyone, and thanks for stopping by our channel. This here is TurboAnt X7 Pro. Let's take a closer look at this electric scooter and help you to decide if it's a good buy or not. The X7 Pro has 20 miles per hour top speed, and it's suited for beginner and also seasoned riders. Acceleration is not bad for a scooter in this price range. It goes from 0 to 15 miles per hour in just 7.5 seconds. The detachable battery has 360 watt-hours of energy capacity, and TurboAnt claims that it can cover 30 miles. It would be possible in eco mode only. When riding in sport mode, you can expect about 20 miles of range. The scooter has strong frame made from aluminum alloy. The frame is strong enough to withstand a payload of up to 275 pounds. It's more than most other scooters in similar price range. Another advantage of X7 Pro is its portability. The weight of the scooter is just 33 pounds. It's light enough to carry it and it fits easily into the trunk of the car. The scooter has neat display, where you can see your speed, battery level and riding mode. Another noteworthy thing is its wheels and tires. Usually, scooters in this price range have small wheels, but TurboAnt has 10-inch wheels. Plus, the tires are pneumatic, which provides much better ride quality than solid tires. I wouldn't go on very rough terrain though, because this scooter has no suspensions. The lack of suspension is one of the biggest drawbacks of this scooter. Also, the deck is very narrow. It would be much more comfortable if it has a bit wider deck. When comparing TurboAnt with other popular scooters like Ninebot Max or Xiaomi M365, TurboAnt is mostly no worse, but it is completely competitive in price. Check out our written review to see in-depth comparisons with other similar scooters. To sum it up, we think that TurboAnt X7 Pro is impressive for its price. It has a good range, is relatively fast, portable and highly durable. So if you are looking for a lightweight city commuter, you can definitely consider TurboAnt X7 Pro. Thanks for watching.